Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a grasshopper poke cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with a 1/4 cup of hot water, add in 1 cup of sugar, mix until the sugar has dissolved. In a pot over medium heat, add in 2/3 cup of cream, a 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/4 cup cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, add in half of 6 ounces of chocolate chips, and a 1/2 cup of your sugar mixture. Bring to the boil and continue whisking for 10 minutes. Take off the heat and add in 2 tablespoons of butter, add in the rest of the 6 ounces of chocolate chips, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 large egg, a 1/2 cup of oil, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Pour your mixture into a prepared pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once your cake has cooled completely, with the back of a wooden spoon, poke holes into the cake. Pour over your hot fudge. With my basic buttercream recipe, which I added a few drops of green food coloring, I'll link that video. Spread that onto the cake. Add some roughly chopped peppermint crisp, and drizzle on some more hot fudge. Enjoy a grasshopper poke cake.